Hello friends. Today I am going to discuss about ABM's third chapter, money supply and inflation. What is money? Money is medium of exchange, a measure of value, store of value, standard for deferred payments. So first one is medium of exchange. This question was asked, so please take note of this. Things are being exchanged in terms of money. If we buy something, we will give money in exchange, right? So money is a medium of exchange, a measure of value. In that, a good is valued in terms of money. Like one apple is 10 rupees. So the value of the apple is 10 rupees. So that is in terms of money. It's measure of value. Next is store of value. So we can have future payments in terms of money. Like we will say, if we buy gold, then after some years, then it will increase. The money value will increase of, for the gold. So that is known for future payments. Then standard for deferred payments, like contracts. If I buy a share for this amount, in future I will pay for this. This is a contract. So, what are the features of money? Medium of exchange, measure of value, store of value, standard for deferred payments. Next is measure of money supply. M0, M1, M2, M3 and M4. M0 will not be there in book. It's a new concept and I have seen somewhere in the internet, so I thought I'll just jot it down. You know, don't need to by heart this, because questions are asked from M1, M2, M3 and M4. Numericals are asked from this as well as theory part. Numericals I will do in separate session. Now I am covering only theory part. M0 is also called high powered money, that is currency in circulation plus banks deposit with RBI and other deposits with banking system. There is nothing to explain in this, you can understand from the words itself. Next is M1, which is known as narrow money. This question is always been asked, what is M1 or what is narrow money? That is currency with public plus demand deposits with banking system and other deposits with RBI. What is demand deposits? That we can withdraw on demand. That is demand deposit. M1 is narrow money, currency with public, demand deposits with banking system and other deposits with RBI. Next is M2. M2 is M1 plus savings deposits with post office savings bank. M1 plus savings deposits with post office savings bank. When you have to calculate M2, you have to calculate M1 also. Then add savings deposits with post office savings bank. M3 is broad money. This is also asked. M3 is equal to M1 plus time deposits with bank. What is time deposit? That is, it has a fixed time period. With that time limit only we can withdraw the money. That is time deposits with bank, that is FDRD and all. M3 is M1 plus time deposits with bank. For M3 also we have to calculate M1. M4 is equal to M3 plus all deposits with post office savings bank except NSC. National Savings Certificate is NSC. M4 is M3 plus all deposits with post office savings bank except NSC. This all will be given in numericals, so you have to just find it out. For M3 we have to, for M4 we have to find M3, for M3 we have to find M1. So for M4 we have to find M1 as well as M3. So I think you understood what is M1, M2, M3 and M4. You have to by heart all the formulas. Next, what is inflation? It is the increase in price of goods and services over a time period. It decreases the purchasing power. This question was asked. What are the qualities of inflation like that? Real value of money decreases. Same amount of money can buy only less goods. I think you understood what this mean. It is increase in price of goods and services. Goods and services value is being increased over a time period. If we can buy 10 apples for 10 rupees, when it is inflation, we can buy only 5 apples for 10 rupees. That is fall in purchasing power. We cannot purchase more. Real value of money is decreased. Value of money is lost. Same amount can buy only less goods, like what I have told now. What is the equation for inflation? Inflation is new value minus base value divided by base value into 100. What is the equation for inflation? New value minus base value by base value into 100. What are the types of inflation? Demand pull inflation, where demand is greater than supply. That means many people ask for things, but there is no supply. This is demand pull inflation. So whatever is there, they pull it. That is demand pull inflation. There is shortage of items, so price will be increasing. Second one is cost push inflation. Increase in cost of important goods and services where there is no alternatives available. Example, petrol. This means if some goods and services prices increases which have no alternatives. Petrol, there is no alternative. So if there is an increase, it is no increase in price of petrol, it is cost push inflation. What are the types of inflation? Demand pull inflation and cost push inflation. What are the price indexes to calculate inflation? WPI and CPI. WPI is wholesale price index, that is change in wholesale level like traders. It is changed in wholesale level, big level, also known as headline inflation. India uses this. This question asked India uses what inflation? That is WPI. Next is CPI, Consumer Price Index. Change in retail level like household. It is like small change in household, small retail shops like that. It is divided into four: CPI for industrial workers, CPI for agricultural laborers, CPI for rural workers, CPI for urban non-manual employees. This question was also asked. WPI and CPI. I think you understood. What is GDP deflator? Average price level of new final goods and services produced. The new goods and services that is finally produced, and we have to take the average price level, that is GDP deflator, and the equation is nominal GDP by real GDP into 100. I will do the numerical later. I will do a separate session for that. GDP deflator is equal to nominal GDP by real GDP into 100. In this nominal GDP we calculate using current prices and real GDP is the base year. Like they will tell us that the base year is 2005. So we have to take the value of 2005 and nominal GDP means current price, that is this year is 2010, that means current price.